Hi again, guys. This is my second channel specialized for digital builds. Check out my other creations at my main channel, Brick. Please consider to subscribe and give it a like, and thank you if you have. Let me know in the comment if you have any suggestion. So, I built this version of the Gigachad Steve Mech in real life, inspired by Chubbybots' Mega Iron Golem, and shared it on my main channel, Brick. Without further ado, let's build! For this digital version, I've tweaked and updated the build to use fewer parts, make it more efficient, and improve stability, all while using only official LEGO colors. Now I'm on a mission to gather all the pieces I need to upgrade the physical build. Next up, I'm planning to build a Gigachad Alex Mech digitally and post it here first. So stay tuned and enjoy the tutorial. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.